Before we begin, click subscribe to stay up to date with all of our newest video content.
Hi, this is Brandy Clymer. The knowledge tip from CS3 today is hanging crystal reports inside of Sage HRMS Payroll. This tip can make accessing your crystal reports simple and easy. In this tip, we're going to review how to attach crystal reports into the Sage HRMS Payroll module. There's a different video that covers how to attach for other modules into Sage HRMS. In order to attach any reports inside a Sage HRMS, we need to make sure that the reports are stored in the proper folder. You're going to want to look underneath your data folder in custom reports, and you'll see that there's a folder for each module. For payroll, you'll have to add the folder and then copy any of the reports inside of it that you want to be able to attach inside of Sage HRMS. Then we'll want to make sure everyone is out of Sage HRMS, and then we can proceed on to System, Customize Menu. Up at the top, we're going to want to select the payroll product, the activity of report. We want our group to be all and our submenu to be all. We're going to click Add and do Crystal Group and say OK. You'll see that adds a grouping over here. We're going to double click it and we're going to add another, and we're going to call it Crystal Reports. And I'm going to make that my status bar message. Then I'm going to double click on that, and now I can add in any of the reports that are in the folder out under my Data Custom Reports folder. Then I say OK. It'll tell me that the system wants to rebuild system files at this time. You'll want to say yes so that you can access the newly added reports. Now my rebuild system files is complete, so I can go in and go under Reports, scroll down to Payroll, and I'll see that Crystal Reports folder I added, as well as the reports I've added into the system as well. If anybody has trouble accessing or seeing the new folder or reports, you may need to go in and adjust security groups to allow them to access them. So it's as easy as that. Enjoy!
Was this video helpful? Click subscribe to see more videos like this one.